Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial part 2, I will show you how to sew and finish the handkerchief skirt I have cut in part 1. I start by joining all the side seams of the skirt pieces with a 1 cm seam allowance. I don't need to overlock or do zigzag on the edges because this jersey doesn't fray. Afterwards, I remove the running stitch and I press all the side seams flat open. On the next step, I join the right side seams for the hip panels with 1 cm seam allowance. I now match the right side seams on the outer and lining panels and I stitch the top edge with a 1 cm seam allowance. Once I have sewn the waist seam, I proceed to put the zipper. I pin it right side to the outer fabric. I turn it around to top stitch it. Preparing it with running stitch will make it easier. I repeat the process for the other side of the zipper. On the second side of the zipper, I create a small tab to cover it up. I now have prepared the zipper and it's ready for the sewing machine. Once the zipper is sewn, I join the hip piece to the skirt. I put right side to right side on the fabric. And I match the seams and the notches to perfectly distribute the fabric. Remember, I'm joining the skirt to the outer part of the hip. Now the hip and skirt pieces are attached, so I turn around the fabric and I am ready to prepare the lining for sewing. In order to facilitate the assembling of the lining, I will do a running stitch at top and bottom. Once the lining is prepared, I iron the whole hip piece. After that, I make an edge top stitch around the waist. I make another top stitch around the hip on the outer side, so I will hold the bottom part of the lining. I have stitched the waist and the hip circles. Now I just have to hand sew the lining around the zipper. To have a better finish, I am making a 0.5 hem with a 3mm top stitch. I go ahead to the final ironing, and my handkerchief skirt is finished and ready to wear. I hope you have enjoyed this handkerchief skirt tutorial part 2. In that case, press thumbs up. I will see you very soon with more projects.